Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss an ambiguous sentence or a sentence with two meanings. Particularly, I'm going to show you the three diagrams that would correspond to each of the meanings. Let's talk about the sentence. She saw the man with a telescope. This sentence is an ambiguous sentence, which means that it has two meanings. So let me put it down here. The first meaning is that she saw the man who had a telescope. And the second meaning is that she saw the man by using a telescope. So the reason why this sentence has two meanings is that it has two structure, or there are two diagrams corresponding to each of the meanings of the sentence. So I'm going to talk about the first meaning first. So in the first meaning, she saw the man who had a telescope. The structure of this sentence is going to be something like S, consisting of NP and VP. The NP is the pronoun she. And for the VP, we will have V for the verb saw and the NP for the man with a telescope. So the NP here would have two branches, the NP and PP. So that means this one, we will have the and the noun man. And for the PP, we will have P with and the NP, a telescope. So this is the structure for the first meaning. She saw the man with a telescope, which means that she saw the man who had a telescope. What we can see here is that the preposition phrase here, the man with a telescope, is part of the NP. All right. Now I'm going to get back to our second meaning, which is she saw the man by using a telescope. Now the tree diagram for the second meaning would be different from the first meanings. So here we will have NP and we will have chi for this NP. For the VP, we will have the VP and the PP. The VP here would be the verb saw and the NP, the man. For the PP, we will have P with and the NP, where we have up and telescope. So we get the sentence, the same string of words. She saw the man with a telescope, but in this tree diagram, we can see that the PP here with a telescope is part of the VP here. So that means is the modifier of the VP. Like how can she see the man? And the answer is she saw the man by using the telescope. We have with a telescope as the way that she used to see the man. So this is different from our first tree diagram, where we have with a telescope as part of the man, like which man, and is the man with a telescope. With a telescope is the modifier of the man, specifying which man, and this is the man with a telescope. So at this point, we can see that an ambiguous sentence is actually a sentence where we have two structures or two ways of modification. So I hope you find this video helpful, and we can discuss more about ambiguity, uh, other way of ambiguity in our class. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.